Welcome to Jumbled Sentences Challenge. Can you put the words in the right order to make a perfect sentence? Words in each puzzle are scrambled. Arrange the words in the correct order to form a meaningful sentence. Watch out, some levels may include extra tricky words. Example puzzle: jumbled words, loves, she, reading, books. Correct answer: she loves reading books. Jumbled: cake, baked, yesterday, I, a. I baked a cake yesterday. Jumbled: playing, football, boys, the, are. The boys are playing football. Jumbled: quickly ran the dog across street. The dog ran quickly across the street. Jumbled: morning, every, exercises, he. He exercises every morning. Jumbled: flowers, garden, beautiful, the, are, in. The flowers in the garden are beautiful.